Oh boy, my Blue Earth Pastels just got here, and this is the set of Nomad. The Nomad set. There are several different color sets of Blue Earth Pastels. I have to say this, I'm taking a pastel class with Alan Picard, and I actually thought I was going to drop out of the class because I couldn't afford to buy the most expensive sets of pastels, which I wanted to buy. So he recommended the Blue Earth as a good intermediary set, maybe even very good. But it's a professional set of pastels, and they come from Dakota Pastels, which is a very fine organization, very nice people, great customer service. But I don't know whether they make these pastels, but they are the only distributor of this line of pastels. I called and talked to them, told them my plight, and she told me about this set and another set. But what sold me on this set, look how Blue Earth pastels are organized. They go from the pure tone down lighter, 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 and then they start graying out. So you have a set of grays, you have the pure color being lightened by white, and then you have the darkening. So here's the blue, dark blue, and a darkening. The problem I've had several different pastels, but I didn't have enough consistently dark pastels. And the darkest tone of each color, the red is not, it doesn't look like fire engine red, does it? But maybe we'll see how it works out. But now I have a dark red, a dark orange, a dark, looks like an umber or an oxide. Yellow oxide looks like it's in that family. So a dark brown, a green that goes down to a dark green, because invariably, Alan Picard will reach into his darkest colors, it's darkest before the light, and I didn't have the dark colors. And now I do have some dark colors. They're packed in a sleeve that I would say is good for shipping, because it's gonna, and they come in half sticks. Let me tell you that they're square and they're half sticks. So keep that in mind. But for Alan Picard's workshops, he uses half sticks or partial sticks. And so I feel like this is a good color scheme or a good brand for me to start with. I have these Meaden trays. Meaden, it's a pastel organizer from Meaden. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each color out of the sleeve, and I'm gonna go from light to dark.